visit with me over on Fritz's Cooking again. I'm Fritz, and I reckon it's time for another Sunday cook, y'all. And guys, what we're going to prepare for y'all tonight is going to be some St. Louis style ribs. We haven't really had a chance to get out here on the CharGriller 50/50 in quite some time, but we got a little break in the weather, and guys, I've been hankering some ribs real bad. So we're going to smoke them up with little pecan wood, man. It's going to be good. But along with that, guys, we're going to have some macaroni and cheese, a little bit of coleslaw, and some rolls. But let's get after it, y'all, and we'll get right back with you. Thank you so very much for watching my videos. It means the world to me. All right, guys.
Here's our pecan. All right, yeah. Hey, boy. Okay, guys, me and old Sarge done got started here, and what I've done was I've actually taken a little bit of mustard here, and I rubbed down our St. Louis style ribs here. And what that does, guys, is it actually lets our rub actually adhere to the ribs in the cooking process. And you will not taste the mustard whatsoever, guys. What I'm going to be actually utilizing is, I love this stuff, Chef. My great buddy, Chef John Polite, sent me some of his chili seasoning and dry smoke, guys. And this is magnificent on ribs and chicken. I'm here to tell you, I think it'd be good on anything. It's got really a bold, smoky flavor to it, guys. But let's go ahead and get our rub up on here. Thank you, Chef. And that's how easy this is, guys. So we're letting our pit come up to temp. I'm gonna be smoking with some pecan wood, guys. All right, y'all. All right, guys, I got the smoker just a smoking. We got our pecan wood up on there, and we're ready to get started here. I'm rolling about 277. I've got my Maverick probe in there. So old Sarge is ready to go here. So let's go ahead and get our St. Louis style ribs up in here. Just like so. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of liquid. All right, guys, we're gonna let them do their thing. Check them bad boys out. All right, guys, we're ready to take a peek here. I've been rolling about 275 to 300 for several hours now, and I'm gonna go ahead and get them painted up. All right, guys, take a peek at them bad boys. It's starting to get dark on me here, but I'm gonna do one with this. This is Meyer brand barbecue sauce specialty series Kentucky bourbon, and I've actually had this before, guys, and it's fantastic. So I'm gonna do one slab of ribs with it. It looks like they're pulling back pretty good, but let's go ahead and get them painted up here. Oh yeah, man. God, I love the smell of these cooking. All right, guys. Now, for the other one, what I'm actually going to do here is, I've seen a bunch of my buddies on here doing this. I'm going to take some of these pats of butter here, put them down. Just like so. And what I'm going to do is, I've got some brown sugar here. Go ahead and get that on the top. Oh yeah, guys, it's gonna be like candied. All right, guys. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna take some aluminum foil, and I'm gonna seal them up. I'm gonna let them go super low for about an hour. Just like so. All right, guys, let them do their thing, and we're gonna get right back with you. Thank you so much. All right, guys, it's gotten dark on me, but I got my security lights on, and I bought myself a little spotlight, 300 looms. It'll actually shine right on my grill, I hope. Yeah, check that out, y'all. All right, guys, we're ready to pull this off, and I'm gonna let them just smoke a little while longer. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that, y'all. I don't know if y'all can really see it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them kind of, I don't know if crisp up is the right term, but I'm gonna let them go for a little while longer uncovered. All right, guys, and I'll get y'all a real peek in the house. All right, guys, we're ready to pull these bad boys. Oh yes, yes. Here is the brown sugar, and here is the Kentucky bourbon. All right, guys, I'll get these dudes sealed back up. I'll give you a peek when we get inside real quick. All right, y'all. Take a peek at them, y'all. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right, guys, we got our Kentucky bourbon ribs here. Oh yeah, guys. Gonna be good. All right, guys, now we have our, yowza, that's hot, brown sugar ribs. Perfect smoke ring. All right, guys, let's get these to the table. I pulled loaded baked potatoes instead of macaroni and cheese, guys, but it'll all go down the same. Take a peek at that, y'all. Yummy now. All right, guys, we got our Sunday night feast over to the table. This is nothing extravagant, but it is daggone good, guys. I've been wanting some smoked ribs for so long. Oh my goodness, look at them bad boys. Along with that, guys, I thought I had macaroni and cheese, but I guess I grabbed loaded potatoes by mistake. Got some coleslaw, a little bit of shredded cheese, and some dinner rolls, y'all. Let's get after this. Man, it's gonna be good. All right, guys, we are plated up. Look at that bonanza of deliciousness. Take you a good old bite off one, Mom. See what you think. Take you a bite, see what you think.
Are they the same?
Yeah, they're the honey, I mean the brown sugar. Good?
Really good.
Yeah, you don't even really need no sauce, do you? Take a peek at that, y'all. See what kind of bite we got, huh? Mm-hmm. Melt in your mouth tender, but it doesn't like pull completely off the bone. So you get a good bite with it. My God, I've been missing these. Okay. Now that is the Kentucky bourbon. Oh my God. All right, guys, I'm gonna go after the brown sugar here. You can actually see the butter on it. Oh, sweet Jesus. That is actually pure ambrosia, guys. I'm here to tell you, that is beyond next level yummy. I'm gonna apply this method. This is the first time I've ever done the butter and brown sugar, guys. It is marvelous. God, it's good, man. I don't even need no sides. All right, guys. I will go in there after a little slaw. A little bit of tater. Dinner roll. And right back in for rib, baby. There you go, boy. Good boy. Well, guys, I'm getting ready to get knee deep. I just wanted to say thank you so very, very much for stopping by and visiting with me on my Sunday cook here. I can't thank y'all enough, and I appreciate the friendship, the fellowship, and all the kind words, and I love talking with y'all. So, guys, I'm hoping you're going to come back and visit with me on Working Wednesday, and I reckon we're going to get into this, y'all. All right, guys.
Yeah.
Bye.